One of the most relevant historical political occurrences is the way in which people react to extreme and difficult times. With recent and approaching events sure to cause quite the upheaval, an extreme time of crisis is almost certainly on the way. COVID-19, poverty, economic recession, and depression, unemployment, climate change, and more are going to create quite the shake-up in the coming years and decades. It is important that we understand the likely political consequences of such extreme times. Historically, extreme times seem to have one particularly obvious political consequence. Extreme times seem to lead to the emergence of and popularity of extreme ideologies. These ideologies can sit anywhere on the political spectrum and have ranged from Nazism to anarchism. The emergence of these ideologies is obviously a result of desperate and suffering populations pursuing an ideology that they think will be able to relieve them of their suffering. There are many examples of this happening. Economic depressions, such as the Great Depression, contributed greatly to an increase in the popularity of both communism and fascism during the 1930s. Recent Middle Eastern conflicts have destabilized regions, leading to many people converting to extreme ideologies, such as radical Islam, as they join militant groups such as ISIS and Al-Qaeda. During recent times, many people are moving towards the political poles of far right and far left. Extreme far right conspiracies, such as QAnon, have grown more influential as the fascist right grows larger and more open about its true nature, with events like the storming of the Capitol. This equation of extreme times leading to extreme ideologies is a very important thing to take into account for the near future. The left needs to take advantage of this and make sure that we are the ones to win, because if we lose, the consequences could be severe. We need to be more pragmatic and open-minded than ever before to bring as many people as possible into the leftist movement, whatever that is. Left unity is very important. The left has bigger things to worry about, and there is no reason why regular socialists, communists, and anarchists should not work together to fight the far right whenever possible. A divided left will easily be crushed by the far more unified right wing. A day may come when the left must do whatever is necessary, within reason, to prevent the far right from gaining power. Think of it like this. We are currently in a car, moving at high speed towards a cliff. We need to make a rapid swerve left or a rapid swerve right. The question is simple. What direction is it going to be?